Today we're doing a test of a persistent internet meme that says that you can use vinegar to repel ticks. I've assembled a kit here with a stick and a cloth. We're going to take this cloth and drag it through some tick-infested prairie, and then we're going to soak it in vinegar and drag it through again, and both times we will count ticks. We will use zip ties to attach an old towel to a piece of bamboo about 5 feet long. This cloth through weeds is a way that scientists actually study ticks. Must suck to have their job. Since I'm no fool, I'm going to be wearing a pair of pants soaked in permethrin, which definitely does and is proven to keep ticks off of you. As you can see, I am dressed for tick harvesting success with tall boots, pants tucked in, permethrin soaked pants. I'm careful not to get any of the bug spray on my test rig so that I don't bias the results. So here we are dragging the test towel through a notably tick-infested area. On the first pass, we have a number of grasshoppers, but so far, no ticks. On the control. So far, we have found 2 ticks on the control, and after developing the technique of going slowly when dragging it through grass. After careful inspection, we found a total of 2 adult and 2 seed ticks on the control. Now we're going to make up a solution of 2 cups distilled white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of eucalyptus soap. Dr. Bronner's, of course. Fresh out of eucalyptus soap, I'm going to use Dr. Bronner's peppermint, 1 tablespoon. Now we have a foamy broth of vinegar, water, and peppermint soap. We'll spray it on liberally. Both sides. We'll allow it to dry in the sun for 10 minutes. We dragged the control towel through about 340 feet of grass after we had determined that the technique needs to be dragging it slowly. We did not collect any ticks through several passes, dragging it at a quick walking pace. So the next phase, once the solution is dry, we will drag it through right next to the same area where we drag the control and through the same distance and see if we collect any ticks. Alright, our test cloth is now thoroughly dry, and we have inspected it both sides to make sure there are no ticks remaining. Get slowly directly adjacent to the area where we found ticks earlier. Next, we have 1 tick, 2. End of a 350-foot pass with our vinegar solution, we can see we've collected 2 ticks. 150-foot pass through some thick weeds, we collected 2 more ticks and 1 piece of fluff that looked like a tick. However, it was just a seed. Qhyrrae, you've got a PhD. Let's see what you think of the evidence here. We took this towel, dragged it through 350 feet of grass.
At what rate?
Slowly.
Okay.
A slow walk. We weren't able to capture any ticks walking quickly.
Right.
But once we began walking slowly, then we started capturing ticks.
Okay.
So in the control run, without any vinegar, we found 2 adult ticks.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get this tape apart here.
Just 2, huh?
2 adult ticks and 2 seed ticks.
2 small ones, okay.
Okay. In the experimental run with vinegar, we found 2 adult ticks. We did an additional run of another 150 feet and found 2 more ticks. Okay? Now, do you think this myth is confirmed, that it really does repel ticks, or it's bogus? I would say it is bogus.